Hello, Master Coach. How was your weekend?
Hi Anwar. My weekend was really exciting. How was yours?
Oh, nothing special. Just the usual stuff. But what did you do?
I attended a training on experiential learning, a new experience for me, and I got to learn a lot of new stuff.
Experiential learning? What's that?
Well, experiential learning simply means learning centered on reflection while doing or a learning based on experience.
Sounds interesting. I want to know more about it, Master Coach.
So, David Kolb, a renowned American educationist, developed this theory called the experiential learning theory, which primarily has 4 essential stages to learning, ordered in a cyclic manner. Concrete learning is simply when any learner is introduced to a new experience or relooks at a past experience differently. Reflective observation is when a learner is prompted to reflect on the experience from their personal bias. Abstract conceptualization is when a learner forms new ideas or modifies the existing ideas based on their reflection. And finally, active experimentation is when the learner applies the ideas formed to their surroundings. It is simply called do, reflect, analyze, apply in a continuous cycle and not a sequence.
Wow, that sounds interesting. But, Master Coach, how can this learning help us better our classroom engagement?
The first step is to understand that our learners have different learning styles. But most of the time in our classrooms, we unconsciously focus only on some learners. Broadly, we can group our learners into 4 types based on their learning styles. Diverging learners look at things from different perspectives. They have strong imagination, are emotional, and enjoy working in groups. They fall between concrete experience and reflective observation. Assimilating learners prefer clear and concrete information. They can analyze and logically format information in depth. They are more interested in concepts than in people. They fall between abstract conceptualization and reflective observation. Converging learners enjoy problem solving. They love working with practical issues and experimenting with newer ideas. They fall between abstract conceptualization and active experimentation. Accommodating learners enjoy practical application of ideas. They get excited with new challenges and solve problems spontaneously. They fall between concrete experience and active experimentation.
This is so amazing. Thank you for sharing this, Master Coach. I wonder what I can do to put this into practice.
I can offer some tips. Remember to balance your theory sessions with lab sessions, field visit, market scans, etc. You can use diverse mediums to explain a theoretical concept, including audiovisual aids, a PowerPoint, performing arts like theatre, role plays. Then there is something for everyone to learn. Simulation exercises work really well too, where you replicate real-life situations and get students to respond to it. Example, mock job interview or a scenario of convincing parents to take up a job with night shifts. Let's design each of our learning sessions as an experience, one that can be enjoyed by all our learners.